Hello. Okay, this week in my Happy Planner, it is the week of the 18th to the 24th, so it is Planner Jam weekend. So I am using this, the rest of the Flamingo kit, Let's Flamingo by Brianna Nicole Designz. I do PR for her. Follow my Instagram for when she has sales. She has really great sales, like 50% off. So I have these, because I've already used this kit once. So I've already used a lot of it, but I still have some here to use. So we'll use it. A lot of deco. I've got some different washies, and then I have all of the icons by her. And I will add more to this as it goes, because I am pre-planning 2 weeks ahead. So I may not have everything I need to do this week, because sometimes I don't know that far ahead. And I am using trackers by Creative Cavern Studios. So we'll go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start with washi, because I'm going to use a lot of it. So I got this real pretty Flamingo washi. And it's just Recollections brand. But I thought it was super cute. Oh, wow, did not get that straight at all. There we go, much better. So I'm pretty excited about Planner Jam. Got a couple busy weeks ahead getting everything ready. Get through it though, one day at a time. No sense in stressing out. Making it easier on myself by pre-planning, because that way I won't have to worry about finding time to do planning if I do it ahead of time. And with the Flamingo washi came this real pretty floral washi, and I liked it too. So it's nice that they match. So, you know, this is going to be a pretty plain layout, but that's okay. I mean, I'm not even photographing it this week. I'll photograph it before I post it, because if I've got the main part of it done, when I sit down like this week, because like I said, I have Planner Jam, so I've got some stuff to do, so I don't feel like I'm going to have time to plan next weekend. I'll have this all done, and then I'll just have to go in and fill in things that I know I'm going to do, if that makes sense. Or I might even go back and back plan. I do that a lot too. And then when I think I have most of it all in the way I want it, then I will post it. I'll post the picture with the extra stickers. So we're just laying down the bare bones. This light is very hot today, because I film in an old TV TV armoire that I've redone. So you know the space is about 3 foot across, a couple feet deep, and this lamp I have, because it's a nice bright light, it's called a sun lamp. It gets hot. I don't think it's like a tanning sun lamp. It's just supposed to be like natural sunlight light, if that makes sense what I'm trying to say. But in this little enclosed space, because the bulbs are so bright, it still gets kind of warm. Alright, so there's my washi. I think that added a lot of nice bright color. I'm going to use the days of the week again because I've already used the days of the week from the kit. And the multicolors go with all the multicolors I have here. So that works out really well. And to be quite honest, seeing as how I've used this washi like 3 spreads in a row, these might be just my new favorite washi. I guess because it is super functional. And it's nice, even though I don't have date covers, that I can still add the little pop of color and cover up my days. I mean, I'm sure I could have looked through my stash and I've probably got day covers ordered, which I will admit, I am really bad about using stickers in my stash. I need to get them where they're more easy to flip through so that I can use them. That is a touch lamp, and as you know, I turn it off quite a bit. Alright, so let's fold this in half, and we'll get the parts of the kit out here. So there's the deco, we'll do it last. So I'm going to put this one up here. Put this nice bold hot pink sticker right here. And we'll just, in black, we'll write meals. I did still have a couple of markers. They're only 5. But here's another one. So if we just kind of line them up like that, voila, we now have 7. Not perfect. And I like the green little things. We'll use it for the other stuff we got to do. Oops. Then I'm going to use a little green, excuse me, actually a blue to do. And then put in my trackers. So this has a lot of pink and green and blue. So I'll use those 3. So there's my sidebar done. So now we'll open this up so we can see what we have. I'm going to flip it back over, and I'm going to use these checklist. I think I'm going to put them on the bottom this week. Like I said, this one's going to be pretty bare bones. Because I will have to get everything ready for my weekend. Probably actually won't have a lot of stuff to check off those days, just making sure I pack everything up. And I am going to write so that's the 1407 Planner Jam weekend. It is a one-day event, but like I said, my friend and I, we got a hotel. We're going down. We're going to stay a couple days. We'll probably do some shopping and stuff. So I got this super cute flamingo flag we'll put right there to mark it. So there's the flags to mark the fun weekend. Nope, and I didn't have the 18 sticker. So I will use some of these little half boxes here. Because this will be like the list of stuff I got to do ahead of time. But you know what? Actually, I don't want to use these. I think I have the round half boxes. I love that I can peel these back up. There we go. Because sometimes you just change your mind. Yes, right here. Alrighty. So we'll use these cute boxes instead. If I can get them to go on straight. Oops, turn that over the right way. Then I'm going to use these little boxes to mark my work schedule. I'll use the ones with the little houses. It's alright. I know what I'm marking. And since we wrote the weekend in, we'll just jump that little sticker up right there, and that's okay. We'll put my chores in. See, I don't get paid this week. So we'll put the shopping bag in, because like I said, I think we were planning on doing some shopping that Sunday. And I'm going to use the to go sticker, because I am going. And I think, for now, other than deco, that is all I want from the kit. So we'll put in lots of deco. And I like this watermelon slice right here by the meals. Even though I'm not a big fan of watermelon, I'll use these little high heels down here by my steps. Even though I don't wear high heels because, quite frankly, I am clumsy. Terribly, terribly clumsy. Every time I wear high heels, it usually results in sprained ankles, all that other not so fun stuff. And so I tend to wear shoes that leave my feet flat on the ground. And that is A-okay with me. Because I trip enough. So there is some deco in. So I think that turned out pretty well. So we will fill in the, put in some icons. I'm going to use 3 of these planners because we're doing planner stuff all week that week. And I need to make sure I got somebody to check on Looney. And the I don't feel very worky today, I'm going to put on Friday and Monday because I'm going to be excited about my trip. So I'm not going to feel very worky. I like to get all my chores done. Coffee Monday. Saturday we will be doing crafts and stuff at the event. Sunday evening, once I get home, it'll be my rest day because I will probably be tired. And I'll probably shave that Saturday. And I'll go to the grocery store Thursday since I'll be busy all weekend. Alright, so I think that is my basic layout for that week. I will add more to this as I go along. I'll pick up my clips then because I think I'm actually going to make a couple more clips to go. So, you know, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.